Johanna.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I am going to do another thrift store haul or op shop haul with you guys. So this is a haul of craft supplies. Last time I did a op shop haul, you guys seemed to enjoy seeing the kinds of things that I picked up, so I wanted to share another haul with you because I've recently gone to a bunch of secondhand stores and antique stores and found a bunch of cool craft supplies. So let's get into it. So the first few things I'm going to show you are from an antique op shop or secondhand store. So they had vintage items and I grabbed a bunch of lace. So I grabbed all of these beautiful dusty sort of beigey pink lace. This one was 10 meters for $3. This one was 5 meters for $2, same sort of color. This was a stretch lace, so this one is 2 meters and it cost me $3. And then this beautiful sort of creamy coloured lace was $1 and that one was 4.2 meters. The other things I got from the antique store were these beautiful doilies, which I'm going to be scanning to make some more digital packs. So each of these doilies cost me $5, but they are really beautiful. I love this one with the cross stitch. I think cross stitch is definitely my favorite type of embroidery. It's so pretty. So there's that one, this one, this one. So nice sandwich plate doilies, and then this one as well, which only cost me $2 and it's very pretty, little round one. And then just at the regular op shop I found a bunch of stuff as well. I grabbed this thread because I'm doing Christmas books at the moment and I've been using some red and white thread, so I grabbed this because it was only 50 cents. I also found all of these envelopes. They're a really pretty, again, sort of dusty pink colour, and they came with cards to go in the envelopes as well. They were in like a book folder thing that was a bit dirty, so I threw that away, but the envelopes inside were in great condition, were great vintage condition, and they're really nice quality card, so I got those. I also found some rolls of wallpaper border. So there was a couple of packets of these. I think there was 3 more packets at the shop that I didn't grab. I just grabbed 2. So I think they cost me $2 each. But they have this pretty floral design. So I've got 2 of those. And at the op shop that I went to, one of my old teachers from high school was actually working there. And when I told her what I'm doing with myself these days, she told me there was a bunch of cardstock out the back that she would go and get for me. And so as you can see, there is a huge stack of cardstock in different colours here, and really good colours for me actually because they're quite muted. And there's just a bunch of card here, and some of them are still in the packets, so a lot of card, and she gave all of this to me for $1. So that was an absolutely amazing deal for cardstock, which can be quite expensive, so lots of cardstock there. And then the other things that I got are just books. So I grabbed this book. This book has some cool horse images and illustrations and stuff in here. And I had to grab this because in my next collection, after the Christmas collection, one of the books is a horse theme. So a little sneak peek for you guys there. And this is kind of a cool bonus to find in the front of the book. I always love finding like ephemera in books. So that was that. The next book I got was this Victorian album. So it's in pretty good condition. I thought that I could reuse the album pages or alter this and make something with it. So I grabbed this book. The other book I got was this one called Bedtime Book. And this book is in good condition other than the fact that the pages have come away from the cover. But the pages themselves are in good condition and the illustrations are really cute and really pretty. Look at this beautiful little deer. So some really cute illustrations in this book, which I may repurpose into some like kid themed journals or as junk journal pages or envelopes or something. But yeah, really nice size as well to fold in half, so I got that book. The other book I got was The Night Before Christmas. I got this book at the tip shop for next to nothing, and it's actually in pretty good condition, and it's got really cute illustrations, and I don't think I'm going to be using this one for crafts. I think I might just keep it for my children because it's so sweet and it's in really good condition, so I don't think I could bear to rip this one up, but a really cool find anyway that I wanted to show you. And then the last book that I got is this old Cinderella book, which is really cool. This one's from Vinnie's. It was $1. It has really pretty old illustrations in here. Kind of reminds me of like a old colouring in book I had for Cinderella when I was little. So really pretty, and it's in pretty good condition. I may just hang on to this one too, I'm not sure yet, but really cool book. That is my little collective op shop or thrift store haul. All the goodies that I got. Let me know in the comments below if you guys enjoy seeing these types of videos. I would really like to be able to do like a thrift with me type of video where I actually take you into the shop with me and sort of show you the things that catch my eye and my process, I guess, but it is kind of tricky to do that when you've got a handful of baby and a handful of goodies that you found. So I don't know, that may be something to try in the future, but if you guys like to see the hauls anyway, let me know in the comments below and I'll keep them coming. Thank you for stopping by my channel today. I hope you're all doing really well, and I will see you in the next video. Bye!